So imagine AI winning Nobel Prizes, creating jaw-dropping videos just from text or images, creating podcasts about literally anything, and catching up to ChatGPT so fast it's making everyone nervous. Yeah, that's Google AI. It's doing it all. And let's break it down to see what's actually happening. Because trust me, this is wild. First up, Google employees using AI to win Nobel Prizes. Sounds crazy, right? But it's real, and it's making waves in the scientific community. Yes. So Demis Hassabis and John Jumper from Google DeepMind, which is a research project from Google, created something known as AlphaFold, which is an AI that could predict 3D shapes of proteins just using AI. And it's something that used to take months or years to find out. But thanks to AI, it's happening in like a fraction of a time, which is really something that you should be like, it's really something that is great, right? And of course, there is some controversy, as I mentioned earlier, and it's because should AI even be allowed to contribute to such big breakthroughs? So some people aren't really happy about this. So because this really isn't physics or chemistry or whatever, right? This isn't really science. This is technology. But and that's like some people are really happy about that. But hey, the thing is, it's changing the game, and I feel like AI and technology could be integrated into multiple fields, and that really at the end of the day, it's just benefiting us, right? And that is something that we want. So, yeah, but you guys let me know what you guys think about that. But yeah, but also, just this week, like literally this week, they released new clips of their text to video generator, Veo, so Google Veo, which is much better than before. You can check out some of the video results right here on the screen. So yeah, and now let's compare them to the previous results on May 14th. So of course, you can see there has been a substantial improvement done to the video generator. Of course, sadly, you can't see the actual prompts given to generate those videos. But hey, this is like a big leap. And also, there are some cool features, according to some rumors on X, that say that Veo might have a separate image to video mode that has scene and motion controls, which will be very unique and amazing to see. And I really feel like this can set things off for a lot of people, and that could include me, right? And it is very, very big update just by the clip itself. I can't wait to try it out when they release it. But yeah, talking about images, Imagen 3 is awesome. Like one of the best image generators I have ever seen and used. Like just take a look at these images. These are the prompts on the screen. You can look at them as well. You can see the prompt and stuff. Now, fair disclaimer, these were ideas, the text prompt were generated by ImageFX itself, but I have tried it with my own prompt, and it is amazing, literally amazing. And the image you see on the screen right now is a prompt that I gave, and the result is by ImageFX, right? And the next thing is NotebookLM. So NotebookLM is also now very good, like very good, with their new podcast ability that sounds so realistic. Like, just listen to this.
Hey everyone, and welcome to today's deep dive, where we'll be taking a deep dive into,
smooshed together into one giant landmass.
wow, a single supercontinent. That must have been something to see. That must have been something to see.
It's hard to even fathom, right? But
Yeah. So AI is now laughing and breathing? What? It's pretty cool. Really though, NotebookLM. The chat interface of NotebookLM isn't so great. I don't really prefer that. I prefer Gemini over NotebookLM for this, which I'll get into. But the podcast tool is mind-blowing. Let's now dive deeper into Gemini, because this is where things get super interesting. So if you thought ChatGPT was like the king of AI, or like the ruling champ of AI, whatever, think again, because Gemini is coming in hot and it's making some serious moves. First off, Gemini has been absolutely crushing it on the limits test. So basically, the limits test measures how well different AI models handle stuff like problem solving, language understanding, and even some creativity. And guess what? In a lot of areas, Gemini is catching up to ChatGPT. In fact, in some areas, they're actually beating ChatGPT. And like, it's like Google really poured some resources into this stuff. Like, if you know, like a couple months back, you know how bad Gemini really was. I even made a video on this. You can check it out later. But yeah, but now, whoa, like I'm using ChatGPT and Gemini daily. I'm constantly switching over to Gemini over ChatGPT, because let me tell you, Gemini 1.5 Flash is much faster than ChatGPT 4.0, even 4.0 mini in my opinion. But really, it's super fast and also super accurate. I also get that little Google double check responses button, which is more useful than ChatGPT, of course. And the context is like way better than before. Like, it's understanding better than before, and that's what really matters, right? But here's the main kicker. Gemini Live is available to everyone for free. Not really everyone. I do still see issues with Gemini Live not getting to free people, but at least I got it, and they're rolling it out pretty fast. And unlike ChatGPT's advanced voice feature, which limits to you just for like 15 responses per day if you're on the free plan, with Gemini Live it's unlimited, and honestly the voice feature is actually just as good. Now, of course, ChatGPT Advanced Voice actually takes in emotion as well, rather than converting their voice to text, it seems. But honestly, I couldn't tell the difference. In fact, I like Gemini Live better, because when I speak something, when I interrupt its responses, it actually stops and listens to it, which is like much better. I'll like show you a demo right now. Gemini, give me an idea about a tech YouTube channel.
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Wait. Give me an idea about a tech YouTube channel.
Are you talking about the YouTube channel, the Ace Family?
Nope,
If so,
nope.
they're known for their
I'm not
vlog.
talking about Ace Family. I'm talking about a tech YouTube channel. Give me some video ideas for a tech YouTube channel.
Gotcha. You could do reviews of new gadgets like phones,
Nah,
earbuds,
I'm
or
more of a news
smartwatches.
guy.
All right. How about videos where you try out a bunch of new tech gadgets and give your honest opinion?
No. I'm
You
more
could...
of like a tech news guy, not a review guy.
All right, how about tech news explained in a way that's easy to understand? You could break down complicated stories into simple terms.
Give me an example.
Or you could do videos. Okay, here's an example.
It's super good, and I've been using it every single day. And it's very natural, and it's just made for conversations. It's just better than ChatGPT in my opinion. What's even cooler is how Gemini learns. So basically, Google uses its massive data, like its entire Google search engine. And not only that, it uses YouTube videos and a lot of other things to learn, which just makes it better than ChatGPT. And the other thing that many of my friends also use Gemini for is summarizing YouTube videos, which ChatGPT cannot do. And I've been using it too, and it just, oh my god, it blows my mind. It's like, I can have a conversation with a video. How cool would that be? Like, you could have a conversation with this video using Gemini. Gemini's rapid growth, Google making it free, and the potential the potential is too high, and like Google's so generous with this, and I really like it. And that just means that ChatGPT is not the ruling, having the crown every single time. It's also others who are competing, which is a good thing. But most people, mostly on Reddit, think that Google's AI Studio, the AI Studio's Gemini models, are more functional and better than the actual Gemini from the website Gemini. But that's something that you guys have to let me know in the comments down below. But like, I don't know if that's true or not. But that's something, again, you guys have to let me know in the comments down below if you guys have tried it. So yeah, Google, big win for you guys. Keep it up, and like, really great. So yeah, keep it up, and see this video next about Google bringing a product after 2 whole years.